The next stage is that when evaluating suppliers, how do you balance price and quality? So as you know that during the development, there is a lot of buyer want to choose the low price and high quality. So what do you think? Do you have any opinion on that?
We prioritize the quality of the products, but we push our suppliers to be as competitive as possible
Yes.
to deliver to our standards for quality, but also be very competitive with their pricing.
Yes, that's your opinion. So I think that makes sense. And so that's the supply size and the production capacity have an impact on your choice. So as you know that there is a lot of buyer need to choose. The factories have big size and a lot of facility and a lot of equipment. And so what do you think? So production size, so it's the pinpoint for you to choose the suppliers, or maybe a smaller or standard one is okay for you?
It's critical that the supplier can deliver the quantity to meet the demand for the market. So if they can deliver the quantity, that's what we care about is can they meet the market demand? And if they can, then we would consider them.
So let me make a conclusion is that if the factory can meet the standard and make the quantity needs and can move fast, if it can meet all the factories you want, so you can consider that also.
Yes.
So not if the size is not the key point. Right?
Right. Yes.